kuka mwana.
Help me, Alex.
Fungura mwana, fungura.
Come on.
Tu, Alex we nta nubwo ari no kuvuga.
This sounds far, Alex.
Alex nubwo ari umusazi n'iki. Reka kuka mwana.
Help me, Alex.
Fungura mwana, fungura.
Come on.
Tu, Alex we nta nubwo ari no kuvuga.
This sounds far, Alex.
Alex nubwo ari umusazi n'iki. Reka kuza mushiki we. Je ku rundi ruhande rw'imodoka hano. Agenda mucikiye byibura bamugeze kwa muganga.
There.
Icyo nzizi nimba.
Hey there. Come. Hey there. We're on our way now.
Rasi imodoka igitaraganya yirukanka. Rasi imodoka yirukanka ni yamani. Sinzi n'iki byose twigarukira hakuno. Imiti nayo bari kumubagura utirigongo. Ebe.
Didn't the anesthesia settle?
Wa mukinge wakongereye ibinya.
It's not as effective as we thought.
Bisa nkaho ibyo twari twamuteye ariko biri gukora. We,
Don't be ridiculous.
ibikigorya
Are you trying to make me into a murderer?
uragira ngo umpindure umwicanyi nica umurwayi ndi kubagaki karita.
Room.
Tumuka cyokera no mu cyumba.
Operation room.
Soka se mvira muri operation room. Cya kigabo imbara giketse sinzi. Gisohoye mu cyumba kizaza gutuma ibintu bizampa yaragisohoye. Kimwe cyari cyorejwe na Steven ngo babaguye umwana ariko apfire ku iseta. Yaragisohoye George.
An anesthesia.
16 years, doctor.
Umaze imyaka ingahe ukora muri aka kazi cyaka 16 ibintu by'ibinyanda bimenyerewe.
Trusting you.
Nakwizeye niwe tujye gukorana.
Make it to the hospital, okay?
Aba nabo hakuno mwana.
Hang in there, sis, okay? Okay, dear? Alex.
Sister uri kunyuma mwana.
Pulse.